For the applique for this pattern, you have a template, which is the one that's not exploded. It's all together, and each piece has a number of pages. The pages are marked in the top right-hand corner. On the first page, in the top left-hand corner, you have a square, and that square must measure 4 centimeters. Then you know that the size of your printout is correct. And we're going to put the template together now, and that has 4 pages, and then the actual pattern itself. That is used for placing the petals, and here are the petals, and we're going to put those two together. So to glue this together, we're going to use a stick glue, and you're going to cut the right hand off each piece. And for the bottom pieces, we're going to cut the top off. As you can see here, we've cut the right hand side off, and that is going to match over. That is going to match over. And you're going to match that 0. And you can see how perfectly that matches. And then you're going to the bottom, you're going to cut off the top and the right hand side. And you're going to glue that together. Obviously, glue your rows together first, the top row and then the bottom row. And then you're going to glue it together. And we have the exploded pattern. Now you're going to cut out your petals. You only actually need 1 petal because all the petals are the same. It is just there for your reference. So you only need to cut out 1 petal as a template. And the center of the flower.